Hi, Ron Paulk here, designer of the Smart Woodshop. So I'm working on some projects that are keeping me kind of busy and I can't get the video camera running too much. I am getting, my next big project in the shop is to build myself a replacement for the Total Station. I've sort of cobbled together using my K-Packs with one of the Fast Cap's best fence setups on top of the Paulk compact bench. But I really miss my Paulk Total Station and it's really impacting my productivity. So I am getting all set up to build myself a brand new one. I'm going to build it out of the Moreland ultralight plywood, so I'm going to make it lighter. I got a couple of little adjustments to it. Nothing that I would do if I didn't let the last one go with Art, the awesome rolling toolbox. So gotta replace it, gotta replace it, gotta replace it. So I'm working on that and like I said, making the adjustments in SketchUp. Once I do that one, I will take the camera down in the shop and I will take you along as I build it from start to finish and show you how it turns out. For now though, I want to share a video with you and I'll put a link to it down below. Go and check out Steve's Smart Woodshop. I think he shot it with his smartphone in that straight up view instead of the pano view, but at least you can take a look at it, and he promises to give a more detailed tour in the text of the video. So I'll encourage him, or let's encourage him together, to turn the camera to the pano angle so we can see more at once and to give us a nice detailed look. I love the way he built the drawers that I used in the Smart Woodshop, and it turned out really neat. So I'd like to see more about it, and I think if he gets some views, he'd be willing to do that. So go over there, take a look, give him a thumbs up for taking the time to share these things, because he may have some ideas in here. You know, it's a lot like my Smart Woodshop, but he may have something else going on as well that may help you in your productivity and being lean. Hey, if you want a set of plans to build yourself your own awesome rolling toolbox, you can click on the link in the description of the video down below, or right here in the video, or any of my other plans. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.